What is up, everybody? My name is Thomas with TMWYT. Welcome back to the channel. As of today, we have just a few days until Sunday, this weekend, which is Elite Tuner Utah, the only car show that's going to be happening all year. It's going to be awesome. I'm super excited. Going to be the only actual physical car show rather than just the meets that's going to happen all year here in Utah, because everything else has been canceled due to COVID-19, unfortunately. But tonight we have my buddy Tristan coming over, which we did the coilovers on his FRS. He does a lot of cinematography for car videos and such, and he is the official videographer for Elite Tuner, sponsored by Elite Tuner, and so he's doing the after movie. And tonight we are going to do the feature on my car, the specific section of the video dedicated to my car. And so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride, just in case you were thinking about doing this for another car show, or you just wanted to see what kind of goes into like a very detailed shoot like that. You know, my videos are, you know, installs and kind of just hanging out with friends, you know, working on cars. He, you know, dedicates all of his time to just making movie quality footage of cars. So I thought I'd show you guys all the behind the scenes of that. And so we are just starting off here in my garage. I got to get the windows wiped down. They're just super dusty from sitting out at work all day today. And a couple other things. I think there's a bolt loose on one of the fenders, like always, that I need to get tightened up. So we're just going to do a couple things here, and then we're going to go meet him in about an hour or so. And we're going to get some night rollers, as well as some cool footage with some cool lighting, ambient lighting and such of the car. Okay, just grabbed an extra battery just in case this one runs out. We got to meet Tristan in about 25 minutes here. I just wanted to take a quick second to thank my subscribers. We are at 225 as of filming this video. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all the support. You know, we started this channel about 3 months ago, and I've just been trying to keep consistent, quality, good, entertaining content coming out to you guys. So I appreciate everyone who drops a like on every video and leaves a comment. And I'm so happy. I love doing this. You know, I work at a desk job all day. I love working on cars, and I love being able to share it with people. So, you know, I appreciate all the support. I just wanted to thank you guys. You know, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. Leave a like as well if you're enjoying the content that I've been coming out with. Enough of that sappy stuff. Let's hop into golf. Go meet Tristan here. I have no idea how this footage is going to turn out because it is super dark right now. As you can see, we have lost all our lighting, but that's the shoot that we're going for. So I will try my hardest to get the best footage possible for you guys, but I'll figure it out as we go. That's how it be. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys this, but I wrapped the water bottle to match with some extra pieces of wrap that I had. So looks pretty cool. I did the coffee mug as well. I don't have that with me, but let's get going. We're going to be late. All right, we just got to the gas station. This is where we're going to start off the video. So we're just going to go talk to Tristan and see what we're going to do right now.
We just rock up with a bunch of cameras. They're just like, everybody around us is looking at us. And what the this guy's going to totally tell us that we can't be filming. Yep.
What's going on here?
I am filming this car over here. Just getting a B-roll sequence.
What are you guys making?
I make automotive car videos.
Really?
Yeah.
This car?
Yeah. I shoot multiple videos of all sorts of cars, and I'm making a big show reel right now.
Oh, so this is like your thing?
Yeah.
It's not about the car?
It is, like, it's about 50-50. Like, the cars are what make the video, but I'm the person. I'm like the director of the video.
Right.
So.
He's the director.
Yeah.
Are you cool with us filming here?
Oh yeah, I don't give up.
Okay, cool.
I
was just gonna say.
I was about to say, like, this dude's gonna come over
I'm
and
a
kick
paying
us out.
customer, don't worry.
Hell yeah. You guys need to make me a rap video, dude.
Did you wrap your car?
What?
Did you wrap your car?
No, like, rap, dude.
Oh, like
okay.
rap video.
Yeah, dude, I live in a house down here with like 10 dudes. And I got some big ideas.
Hell yeah, dude.
Hey man, let me know.
Hit him up. His footage is crazy. Where's the featuring?
Whether you sit or slurp, you'll love the affordable prices.
3, 2, 1, action. 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. All right, so we just got done finishing like the B-roll sequence of this whole, of the whole part of the feature with Thomas's car. So we got some shots of him grabbing a drink, and then we got some shots of him grabbing the snack and then walking to paying for it. Now we're gonna grab the shot of him walking out. So it's gonna be the transition from like the B-roll to the rising action of him actually going to the car, getting in it, and then then it'll cut to like the whole rolling sequence and all of that stuff. So super exciting, really cool. We're gonna coordinate this shot really quick. All right, now stop. Okay, walk back a little. I'm gonna grab a shot of what you have in your hand as you're walking up to the car. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. All right, now stop. I'm gonna have you walk about halfway back that way. 3, 2, 1, action. Whenever you're ready. All right, 3, 2, 1, action. All right, drop her back. It's pretty much self-explanatory, really easy to do.
I feel like I'm on a movie right now.
Yeah, really there's so much that goes into it.
Right?
Okay, so for Thomas's audience and fan base, what we're gonna do now is we just filmed the B-roll and the rising action of Thomas actually getting into his car, starting his car, raising it up, grabbing the snacks, all that fun. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut into the rolling sequence. We're going from like a B-roll rising action to rolling sequence, then statics later. Cool.
What's up, baby? Is this rolling or what? It's rolling. It's always rolling, baby. What's up, Doug? It's good, dude. I'm just getting some gas, boy.
All right, guys, so we're now in the back of the car. Please do not try this at home unless you know what you're doing, absolutely. I even prefer just tying yourself in so that way you don't go flying out in case your driver floors it for whatever reason. All right, we are ready. Autobots, roll out. All right, let's rock and roll.
Alright, scanners are clear, let's roll, baby, let's roll!
Thomas, I'm gonna have you in the left lane when you get a chance. Lane switch. 3, 2, 1, lane switch. All right, we're gonna switch to the big boy lens really quick.
So we just popped in the Sigma f1.4 16mm lens. This is the lens I'm going to be picking up this month along with a bunch of other camera equipment. So this will be a little test for the channel. But this lens is, it's quality. Hopefully we're getting good footage. It's dark out here, but we're trying our best. Cody's killing it with the Sigmas.
Shh, red light coming in. we're coming in hot on the red light. Shh. Shh, breaker, we have a red light. This is bogey 6.
Big Ben, this is a rubber duck.
This is Big Schlong Dong coming in. We got a red light coming over. Little Schlong Dong in the back. We got a red light coming over.
Autobots, roll out!
He is so funny on the thing, dude. Cracks me up.
Do you want me to keep it rolling the whole time?
Yeah. Roll, roll, roll.
You'll just edit it?
Oh yeah, dude. Edit that shit. It's my job. Because it will be one day. dude.
It's way better. We're gonna switch lanes after this light. We're gonna switch lanes after this light.
Oh, this is funny. Who's honking at me? Get over it. Just trying to stay focused, concentrated. Gotta drive the exact distance he wants me. You know, you never know. You gotta be really close to these cameras. What does the channel think of this lens?
Bro,
Yeah,
this is golf, right?
Follow us out. I can lead us out of here. Okay.
Or GTI.
That way, towards below, turn down, and then it puts us right at that light right here.
It's a GTR.
GTR.
Jesus
GTI.
Christ.
So has it got
Holy
that?
monster truck! Jesus! That's your hole button?
No, that's all bagged up. I would never drive it like that.
Well, that's
Bro,
like my
it
buddy
bounced-
has one on his Doobie for that.
This is
you know?
monster truck mode if I ever need to get over this.
I was gonna say it bounces like a
that's
mother. No.
Oh yeah.
Monster truck mode, that's
I'll just be over here like. This channel is sponsored by, or will eventually be sponsored by Nas
TJ and Hunt.
at TJ Hunt. Trying to be like that guy. Shouts to him. He'll never see my videos, but one day I'm gonna meet him. You heard it here, right here. 225 subscribers. I'm gonna meet TJ Hunt, and we're gonna do video together once I hit 1 million.
Cheers.
And I'm gonna show him that clip. Tristan likes to put his strap on.
Hey, be nice.
Okay, Thomas is not in a nice mood tonight.
What do you mean?
You called my GTI a golf.
And you're a Honda Ridgeline a pilot.
Yeah.
In
Yes.
accord with a truck bed. It's probably front wheel
But
drive.
it's a V6.
Oh wow. V6 accord.
So it's like an Odyssey, right?
Yeah.
practically.
This thing's a boat.
Want me to parallel park you right here?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a shot of you doing so though. All right, so it is a sad day because I lost my hat getting rollers. I looked up behind me and the hat goes flying off. It's all good, it's my work hat. They'll just give me another one. But other than that, we finished up the rolling sequence. We got all the rollers that we needed. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have Thomas pull around the corner right here and park up in front of this beautiful lighting tapestry that we have here. And these shots are gonna look retro and it looks so good. Even on the camera, like these lights just, they look clutch. Bro, just look at this shot. Bro.
Looks good.
Just stop right now. Look at the reflections. Dude, just like this shot right here. Dude, butter. I love these neon lighting setups. On action! Alright, Thomas, I'm gonna have you walk from this wheel over to this railing and I'm gonna have you sit on it and then just start drumming out. Just chilling, just vibing. 3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, you good. You can edit it.
It's funny because having Thomas right here is gonna add like a really funny and humorous kind of like aspect to the video. Funny, huh? Not like a fun.
Yeah, look at you.
But like a really
You like
nice.
my idea? I'm so happy, bro. I thought of this today. I was like peach rings and mango nos. It matches perfectly. Nos and peach rings.
It's a good mix. My belly's gonna feel great tonight. That's all I'm saying.
My shutter speed, and I got to that.
This man
point,
is so good at filming, dude. He's been on me the whole night.
and it's like
Shouts to Jordan.
Like having
Jordan
to
on the camera.
settle down. Action.
Yeah. I just want to give a big shout out to my man Tristan over here for doing all the video work tonight, and Jordan for videoing the behind the scenes footage that you guys saw tonight, and his man Iceland for getting the show us what you got. Just get a little taste. Ooh, just the detailed shots that nobody else wants to get. You know, he's all about them close-ups. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like down below. Make sure you subscribe and check out all my other content if you enjoyed. But that is pretty much it, guys. I will catch you in the next one.